Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert Excel to PDF. For example, we have created this file, how to tag, and we want to save it as PDF. So, go in File tab, click on it, and here you can see Save As. Here you can specify its new name, or you can keep the same name as already has saved. So I am keeping it the same name. Now you can also specify its destination where you want to save it. I am selecting desktop, and then here you can see save as type. Go in this drop down list and here is PDF. So click on it and then click on save. And here you can see how to tag .pdf. So the file is saved as PDF. So this is how you can convert Excel file into PDF. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.